NLN NEX exam help. Question 1. Which flow rate delivers 1.2 L over 8 hours using a 60 GDT/ml set in this heart rhythm item? Option A, 155 GDT/min. Option B, 150 GDT/min. Option C, 2 GDT/min. Option D, 9000 GDT/min. The correct answer is option. Convert 1.2 L to 1200 ml, then use 1200 times 60 divided by 8 times 60 to get about 150 GDT/min. The other choices come from common errors such as skipping the drop factor, using hours instead of minutes, or rounding before the final step. Question 2. During a quick NEX review of a lung function item, which word is closest in meaning to frequent in a nursing entrance reading item? Option A, rare. Option B, silent. Option C, heavy. Option D, often. The correct answer is option. Frequent means often, so that choice matches the meaning in context. Rare means not often, silent means without sound, not often, and heavy means weighty, not often. Question 3. After checking the choices in a digestive process item, which answer identifies the process moves water across a semi-permeable membrane? Option A, exocytosis. Option B, osmosis. Option C, transcription. Option D, mitosis. The correct answer is option. Osmosis is the diffusion of water through a selectively permeable membrane. Exocytosis moves materials out of a cell. Transcription copies DNA information into RNA, and mitosis is cell division. Question 4. If a homeostasis stem gives one clear clue, which answer best explains the author's point? A school added quiet study rooms, and students reported fewer distractions. Option A, reducing distractions can improve study conditions. Option B, distractions are always helpful. Option C, students no longer needed to study. Option D, quiet rooms increase noise. The correct answer is option. The result directly connects quiet rooms to fewer distractions. Distractions are always helpful is not supported by the passage, students no longer needed to study is not supported by the passage, and quiet rooms increase noise is not supported by the passage. Question 5. When time is limited on a scientific method question, which critical thinking response best fits this situation? A graph rises sharply after a policy change, but no other information is given. Option A. A rising graph proves the policy caused everything. Option B. The policy must be ignored. Option C. The graph shows a possible association but does not prove causation by itself. Option D. Graphs cannot show patterns. The correct answer is option. A time pattern can suggest a relationship, but causation requires stronger evidence. A rising graph proves the policy caused everything, does not follow from the situation, the policy must be ignored, does not follow from the situation, and graphs cannot show patterns, does not follow from the situation. Question 6. Given the information in a control group item, which value of x solves 3x plus 12 equals 27? Option A, 4. Option B, 5. Option C, 15. Option D, 6. The correct answer is option. Subtract 12 from both sides to get 3x equals 15, then divide by 3 to find x equals 5. The other choices result from stopping after subtraction, adding one too many, or not reversing the operations in the equation. Question 7. Suppose a similar sample size item appears on test day. Which word is closest in meaning to maintain in a nursing entrance reading item? Option A, compare. Option B, destroy. Option C, invent. Option D, preserve. The correct answer is option. Maintain means preserve, so that choice matches the meaning in context. Compare means note similarities or differences, not preserve. Destroy means ruin, not preserve, and invent means create, not preserve. Question 8. While working through a timed enzyme activity set, which answer identifies the tiny air sacs exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide? Option A, bronchi. Option B, villi. Option C, alveoli. Option D, nephrons. The correct answer is option. Alveoli provide thin, moist surfaces where gases diffuse between air and blood. Bronchi carry air toward the lungs, villi absorb nutrients in the intestine, and nephrons filter blood in kidneys. Question 9. Before choosing an answer in a pH scale item, which answer best explains the author's point? A report says infection rates fell after staff completed a hand hygiene refresher. Option A, training may have improved compliance with hygiene practices. Option B, training increased infection rates. Option C, hand hygiene cannot affect infection. Option D, the refresher removed all risk permanently. The correct answer is option. The sequence suggests training supported better hygiene behavior. Training increased infection rates, is not supported by the passage, hand hygiene cannot affect infection, is not supported by the passage, and the refresher removed all risk permanently, is not supported by the passage. Question 10. A student sees this solution chemistry idea on a NEX review. Which increase is shown from Monday 19 to Wednesday 29 in a simple practice chart? Option A, 10. Option B, 29. Option C, 7. Option D, 48. The correct answer is option. The increase is the final value minus the starting value, 29/19 equals 10. The other choices use the final value alone, only the Monday to Tuesday change, or the sum instead of the difference. Question 11. One genetics clue practice problem tests this skill. Which increase is shown from Monday 12 to Wednesday 18 in a simple practice chart? Option A, 3. Option B, 30. Option C, 6. Option D, 18. The correct answer is option. The increase is the final value minus the starting value, 18/12 equals 6. The other choices use the final value alone, only the Monday to Tuesday change, or the sum instead of the difference. Question 12. Several choices look tempting in a cell division item. Which word is closest in meaning to omit in a nursing entrance reading item? Option A, predict. Option B, leave out. Option C, polish. Option D, include. The correct answer is option. Omit means leave out, so that choice matches the meaning in context. Predict means forecast, not leave out. Polish means make smooth, not leave out, and include means put in, not leave out. Question 13. For this bone support nursing entrance question, which answer identifies the chemical messenger released by endocrine glands? Option A, platelet. Option B, antibody. Option C, enzyme. Option D, a hormone. The correct answer is option. Hormones travel through the bloodstream and affect target tissues. Platelet helps clotting, antibody targets antigens, and enzyme speeds chemical reactions. Question 14. In a short muscle movement practice STEM, which answer best explains the author's point? A clinic sends appointment reminders, and missed visits decline. Option A, appointments no longer need scheduling. Option B, reminders can help patients remember appointments. Option C, reminders caused more missed visits. Option D, patients cannot benefit from reminders. The correct answer is option. The decline in missed visits supports the role of reminders. Appointments no longer need scheduling, is not supported by the passage. Reminders caused more missed visits, is not supported by the passage, and patients cannot benefit from reminders, is not supported by the passage. Question 15. Among the choices in a nerve signal item, which answer identifies the transfer of heat through direct contact? Option A, conduction. Option B, evaporation. Option C, convection. Option D, irradiation. The correct answer is option. Conduction transfers heat when particles collide through direct contact. Evaporation is liquid changing to gas. Convection moves heat through fluid circulation, and radiation transfers energy by waves. Question 16. Using the facts in an endocrine message question, which second quantity matches a 2:5 ratio when the first quantity is 8? Option A, 20. Option B, 28. Option C, 8. Option D, 24. The correct answer is option. The first part grew from 2 to 8, so the scale factor is 4. Multiplying the second part, 5 times 4, gives 20. The other values use the total, the first quantity, or an extra scale step instead. Question 17. Based on the clue in a glucose regulation item, which word is closest in meaning to prohibit in a nursing entrance reading item? Option A, forbid. Option B, compare. Option C, repair. Option D, permit. The correct answer is option. Prohibit means forbid, so that choice matches the meaning in context. Compare means examine likeness or difference, not forbid. Repair means fix, not forbid, and permit means allow, not forbid. Question 18. Consider this high-yield chart reading concept. Which answer identifies the cell division that produces gametes? Option A, mitosis. Option B, diffusion. Option C, meiosis. Option D, translation. The correct answer is option. Meiosis reduces chromosome number and produces sperm or egg cells. Mitosis produces identical body cells, diffusion moves particles down a gradient, and translation builds proteins. Question 19. Near the end of a ratio setup review session, which answer best explains the author's point? A study found that students who practiced with timed sets felt more comfortable during the actual exam. Option A, timed sets remove all content gaps. Option B, the exam has no time pressure. Option C, timed practice can build exam familiarity. Option D, comfort never changes with practice. The correct answer is option. The passage connects timed practice with increased comfort. Timed sets remove all content gaps, is not supported by the passage, the exam has no time pressure, is not supported by the passage, and comfort never changes with practice, is not supported by the passage. Question 20. Across similar unit conversion nursing entrance questions, which critical thinking response best fits this situation? A patient says, "I feel better, so I stopped the medication early," in a health literacy passage. Option A, medication should always be stopped early. Option B, teaching is unrelated to medication use. Option C, the patient fully understood the instructions. Option D, the statement shows a need for clearer teaching about completing treatment. The correct answer is option. Stopping early can be unsafe depending on the medication and condition, so teaching is needed. Medication should always be stopped early, does not follow from the situation. Teaching is unrelated to medication use, does not follow from the situation, and the patient fully understood the instructions, does not follow from the situation. Question 21. Since only one choice fits the percentage item clue, which weight in pounds is closest to 55 kilograms using 1 kilogram equals 2.2 pounds? Option A, 57.2 pounds. Option B, 121 pounds. Option C, 1,210 pounds. Option D, 25 pounds. The correct answer is option. Multiply kilograms by 2.2, so 55 times 2.2 equals 121 pounds. The other choices divide instead of multiply, add the conversion factor, or move the decimal one place too far. Question 22. From the information in a fraction item, which word is closest in meaning to resolve in a nursing entrance reading item? Option A, decorate. Option B, vanish. Option C, settle. Option D, complicate. The correct answer is option. Resolve means settle, so that choice matches the meaning in context. Decorate means adorn, not settle. Vanish means disappear, not settle. And complicate means make harder, not settle. Question 23. At a testing desk during a mean score review, which answer identifies the solution with pH above 7? Option A, basic. Option B, neutral. Option C, acidic. Option D, hypotonic. The correct answer is option. A pH above 7 indicates a basic or alkaline solution. Neutral describes pH 7, acidic describes pH below 7, and hypotonic describes lower solute concentration. Question 24. Inside a probability set science or skills item, Which choice most accurately summarizes the passage? A patient education sheet used short sentences, headings, and pictures. Option A, headings reduce the value of information. Option B, pictures make written instructions unnecessary. Option C, clear formatting helps readers understand health information. Option D, long paragraphs are best for patient teaching. The correct answer is option. The sheet is designed to improve readability and comprehension. Headings reduce the value of information, is not supported by the passage. Pictures make written instructions unnecessary, is not supported by the passage. And long paragraphs are best for patient teaching, is not supported by the passage. Question 25. Through careful reading of a test strategy stem, which increase is shown from Monday 18 to Wednesday 26 in a simple practice chart? Option A, 44. Option B, 5. Option C, 26. Option D, 8. The correct answer is option. The increase is the final value minus the starting value, 2618 equals 8. The other choices use the final value alone, only the Monday to Tuesday change, or the sum instead of the difference.